I'm Amy Nicole and welcome to my studio. Today I am sharing with you a very exciting hack that I did using my Audie Playdress pattern. Ever since I released this pattern and the Audie Play suit, I have had so many ideas for fun hacks. I feel like both of these patterns with multiple views are ripe with opportunities for hacking. And this is one of the first ones that I've finally been able to finish. I did this hack using view C of my Audie Playdress pattern, which originally comes as a short pencil skirt with a little peplum overlay that is attached to the dress and splits in the back to open the zipper, and it has a really fun pleated peplum across the top. This is a fun, summery view of this dress, less flowy and more of a chic silhouette, and I thought it would be fun to do a hack using this silhouette without the overlay, and this is what I came up with. I am super pleased with the way it came out. Basically what I did is I, again, omitted the whole upper overlay pattern pieces, and I lengthened the skirt to be more of a midi length, and I extended one of the darts to create a seam here that then opens up into a high slit, which can go as high or as low as you like. And I think the result is very cool, very chic for summer. This fabric is a linen, so the dress breathes wonderfully for summer. And of course, we still keep our slash pockets in the front, which is a really fun detail that makes it a little bit more casual. And the traditional princess seams and V-neckline are all the same from the original. The back, not a lot of changes here. Again, just lengthening the skirt and removing that top overlay. It still has the curved back neckline that I love and the back princess seams and skirt darts. Lots of opportunities for getting a perfect fit with fit adjustments in this dress because of the princess seams and the darts. You can really make it your own to fit your body. I had a lot of fun wearing this dress on a night out with my friend Victoria when she was in town, and I got some really great pictures so you can see how it looks on. Sharing the full tutorial for how to execute this hack using my Audie Playdress pattern for all of my newsletter subscribers. So be sure to subscribe using the link in the comments below, and I will have an exclusive blog post in my Stitchers Vault, which is the page on my site just for newsletter subscribers, full of all kinds of fun freebies, and this is the newest freebie to join the collection. It is a very detailed blog post with diagrams and very clear written instructions to help you hack your Audie Playdress pattern to make this very fun summery midi pencil dress with a high slit. So I hope you love my new dress, and all of the information is going to be in the comments below. I will link to the pattern as well as to the link to subscribe. Thanks so much for joining me in my channel today. Don't forget to subscribe here on YouTube so you don't miss more fun hacks and tutorials coming your way. And as always, happy sewing. Bye. Whoops. That's the back. A linen from art gallery. I don't remember. Okay, we're not going to talk about where it's from. I'll link it below. with a side hem slit, high slit.